outside. It's gonna be so cold.
What's point?
Because it's raining outside.
Alexa,
I already have my
turn
coat
off.
on.
Oi, oi.
Let's take off my...
Oi!
Listen to the rain. It's like December. Like one of those times when they rain, right? I'm trying to cover my chest right here. God, this thing will go up. Ugh.
One moment.
Please help me. It won't go anymore up. Is that how it's supposed
That's
to be?
it, chulo.
Oh. I thought it was... I'm doing the challenge, and apparently this is how high it goes. All I have to do now is get my umbrella, and that's it. I went outside for a little bit, and
Alexa, is it gonna rain a lot today?
It's raining right now.
I know.
It's a break.
Okay.
Oh, it's gonna rain for.
Oh, it's turning colors.
They said
Right,
it's
it's turning colors.
I know. It's
Because
she
it
said
was
it was
outside.
gonna rain for 15 more minutes.
What? Okay, that's good. Oh my God. Okay, I've
Wanna
got...
go sleep after that?
No, I'm fine. I think I already do have a long sleeve under that. Oh my God, it's raining kind of hard right now. Oh my God. It's raining pretty hard. I wouldn't be saying. But this is cold. This is cold. This is cold. Jesus. This is God. Jesus, God. No. My phone's gonna get wet if I do that. Oh, it's so cold. Okay, stop. It's still going. Dad. Can video see rain?
What?
Can video see rain?
Sometimes, yeah. Maybe kind of
You can kind of see the rain. Not that I'm not sure. Jesus, God. Chris was getting the rain for a second. This is terrifying. It's terrifying because it's cold. And these have fully changed color. That's what they were supposed to do. They have to start us playing. Oh my God, it suddenly got so cold out of nowhere. Out of nowhere! Hey. Oh my God, it's not really that. Oh my God, it's so cold. It's a little cold. If you guys are out here right now, or if it's raining right now, you would experience almost not extreme cold, but just cold. It's raining right now from houses. It's raining down from... Okay, look. It's raining down on top of there. It's all raining down. You see that? It's raining down. Nothing can anything stop the rain? It's like so cold. Oh my God. It's starting to get really hot. Look. It's getting hot. It's getting hot. Jesus God, guys. Oh, it's getting hard. Oh. Ah! If there was thunder or lightning right now, I would freak out for no reason. I would freak out because of the extreme coldness it would be. Because I'm not even afraid of thunder or lightning. I've never seen lightning. But it's so cold. My dad doesn't even have an umbrella. He's out here, and I don't like it. It's so I'm wearing a sweater. Oh my God, what's that down there? Oh my God, you can see raindrops down there. Raindrops, it's like, look right here. They're like rain falling down there. If I was down there, I would probably be cold, or I would probably be warm or cold. But look, all the rain is falling down from there. And there's no explanation for it. Everybody knows rain comes from the clouds. You could kind of see rain falling from over there. I see rain falling from over there. But it's time to go back inside for a bit. Oh my God, the stairs are so clean. The stairs just turned to like pure dirtiness, and now they're like pure chocolatiness. Like, oh. Ew! Is that caramel? Dirty caramel? Nobody likes dirty caramel in their... Jesus God Christ! You don't know what I just experienced. I have to wipe. Oh my God. Ah! You have no idea what I just experienced. So, I am not taking this off. It's going to rain for 15 minutes. That's what Alexa said. It's going to rain for another 20 minutes. So it's going to rain for more 15 minutes. And it's going to rain for 15 minutes, which is enough for me to go back outside 2 more times. Or 4 more. But we're going back outside again. And I'm not going to risk it. I'm not, which means that's just a word for me to say I'm not going to like it. But it's just a challenge. Oh! I opened it! Ah! Ray just got inside of my mouth after that. I hated it. It tasted like goo. It did taste like goo. That's why I told you I'm not going to risk it. Never. Okay, it's still raining. Still raining. I can do this. Right? I can still do this. I can survive. I can survive. Stay out here. It's okay. Look at the rain. Boom. Done. That matches the rain. Oh my God, my lips hurt and I'm out of breath. Jesus God Christ. Okay. Watch.
Your mom told you to stop going up and down.
Don't get next to me next time. Well, we'll try to do that next time. Never next time. This is the only time I'm ever doing that. Ever again. Oh my God, that was so. Oh my God. Ah, it's good to be here. Back to my regular self. With
Now first to August.
Oh.
And then to September.
There. Get this dumb bag right out of here. Okay, boom, 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 and the bag should be going right there. Okay. I just shut the door because it was so cold. It's getting warm already. Move. That was literally a bad experience. Oh my god, that was really a bad experience for me. If you were out there, you would explain how.
The other one was still.
I just feel so cold.
The other one was still like. Yeah, I'm like.
Oh my god. So, you not be want to be wondering, but this is what we're gonna do. Let me just do something for a sec. Done! That can't be done. So, here's one of my drawings that I did. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam. You see that? This is talent right here. I did this. Just kidding. But this is what I do. Ah! Never doing that again. Oh, it's paper in the way. Never gonna do that again. That was the worst thing I've ever done in my life. The worst! Oh, this is a book. Ah! The worst! The worst! The worst! The worst! The worst. Here to say, oh, that's a stupid thing. Luckily, I have got the world. I hold the world for now. I live on Earth. I live on the Earth. And now,
Passing by.
is this upside down? I feel like this is upside down. This is where we are. This is where I. If I put this upside down, it's the worst thing you could ever see. It's the world. It's the world. It's the world. It's the world. But right here, for some reason, it's turned around. This is not how it should be. For some reason, my recording shows it to be like. Shows it to be. It shows to be.
Was.
What was it? Oh. It shows to be like reverse or something, like when the words are like "Kizabambandingangan." Get inside of my mouth.